How to replace the handle on a security door. Find the screw on the knob. You may need to bend down or move sideways to see it. Using an Allen wrench, loosen the screw and remove the old handle. Then insert the new handle and tighten the screw. Check that the handle works before closing the door.